Welcome to the Bioinformatics Hub. In today's video, we will learn how to collect data for Mendelian randomization study for high quality publication. This method is a powerful method for understanding the causal relationship in epidemiology, and it starts with the right data. So let's get started. So in today's video, I will show you how to collect data from IEU OpenGWAS database, which is a comprehensive collection of GWAS study. To access it, simply navigate to the website. Once you are there, this is the website. Once you are there, just click on the website, and here you will find a dataset available for various trade. Just click on the dataset. Here in the dataset tab, you can search data for specific disease. You can search data by using specific GWAS ID, year of publication, or consortium. You can write the name of the consortium and download the data. Here, for example, let's type depression and filter the data. This will give you the list of relevant GWAS study published related to the depression. Just click on any data set. For example, click on this data set. This will give you the detail of the detail how to load the data, and also this will give you the detail of the self-reported data depression. This will show you the number of cases, number of control, sex, population, and everything relevant to the data. You can click on the download button. Once you click on the download button, the data will save in your laptop in the VCF format. This is a standard format which is used for storing the genetic data, and this is compatible with various analysis tool. Additionally, you can view the report of the data right here. This will provide you the insight into the data set. This will show you the Manhattan plot of the data, QQ plot, AF plot, Z plot, beta plot, metadata, and all the information relevant to the data. So now you can use, here is the data set. Now you can use this data for the Mendelian randomization study. You can use this data as an outcome data set, and in fact, you can publish high quality article by using this data. In the next video, I will show you how to obtain the exposure data set for your Mendelian randomization study. Thanks for watching. See you next time.